Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. Today is the day Jordan is helping me. Well, actually, let's be honest, he's pretty much going to do all of it. But anyways, we're installing my awning on the van. So the first thing I need to do is loosen up the screws in the rooftop box so I can move it over a few inches toward the driver's side so we can install the awning on the roof rack right next to it. Let's get started. So we moved the rooftop box over about 3 inches, so now you can see it's not sitting quite in the middle. Each bar I think is rated for 150 pounds or something, so these roof racks that come standard on this Dodge model is just really beneficial. So we're going to go ahead and attempt to place the awning next to the rooftop box. So first word of advice for installing an awning is make sure that you have like a ratchet set. We ended up borrowing one from a neighbor. Otherwise you're not going to be able to get these on. It was really difficult. Definitely took Jordan some time. So there's the first bracket. We're going to work on the second one right now. The awning is on 1 hour later. It is complete, so I am going to set up my phone on a tripod, essentially, and attempt to put out the awning by myself. I'm not going to time-lapse the video or anything because I want you guys to see a realistic view of me attempting to put my awning up. The awning is up. After trying one time by myself, I had to have Jordan help me. So this awning is effing huge, as you can see. It's 10 by 9. So this is not, this awning is, it's absolutely incredible, but you're going to need somebody to help you or a chair. But look at how much space and shade this gives me. I mean, it's just huge space. So I'm very excited about it, but I am a little concerned about having to put it up by myself. However, after doing it with Jordan once and kind of seeing him and walking through it, I think I'll be able to do it by myself, but it'll just be really helpful if I have somebody to help me when I do use it. Took me 6 minutes. After 2 test runs with my awning, I feel confident that now I can take it out and put it back by myself with help of a chair. So it is doable, but of course just much easier with 2 people. So I will say that it requires some arm strength, some upper body strength for sure, but I also have the biggest awning you could get of this kind. So if you get like a 6-footer or something, it's probably going to be easier. However, I'm totally digging the surface space I have now of shade with this. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.